Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. From Bridge 1, the route stretches southwards from St. Catharines to Port Colborne, a distance of 45 kilometers, including George Nicholson Trail. Cycling along the Welland Canal, you will see massive 26,000-ton ships up to 226 meters in length as they glide past grassy banks on their way to climb the Niagara escarpment. Starting in the garden city of St. Catharines, the route passes by Thorold, where the ships climb the mountain. Ascending 42 meters in only 3 lengths of the vessel, the world's largest flight locks is an absolute must-see on this tour.
Thank you very much.
Take your bike around the free Port Robinson ferry on your way to the city of Welland. The Welland Canals Parkway Trail passes along the banks of the abandoned section of the canal. See the Welland River actually passing beneath the old canal. The recreational waterway is host to the canoe-kayak sprint events of the Toronto 2015 Pan American Games. At Port Colborne, watch the ships along Lock 8 from the patios of the charming dockside district. Passing through 8 locks and numerous lift bridges on the journey from Lake Ontario to Lake Erie, ships gain 100 meters in elevation. Welland Canals Parkway Trail is part of the Greater Niagara Circle Route trail system. The Welland Canal bike path makes for a great weekend outing. This historic canal from Lake Ontario to Lake Erie is a beautiful, scenic, and established route along the water's edge. The sights vary along the way, but the large freighters drifting down the canal and the giant locks are definitely sights to see. There are stretches of homes, industries, and open parklands, as well as the occasional bridge to cross. On the west side, the route follows the canal for most of the way. It is a spacious paved path that is well marked with a few detours. From the north end, you can start at Lake Ontario by including the George Nicholson Trail for another 3 kilometers. Officially, it begins at the first lock on Lakeshore Road. As you cycle along the edge of St. Catharines and the canal, you will pass 2 locks and start to climb. By the town of Thorold and the 3rd lock, you will have to climb the Niagara escarpment,
Thanks for watching,
which is a good-sized hill. Continuing south, the rest of the ride south is a flat and leisurely